Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 is a feature-rich, reasonably priced robotic vacuum cleaner that strives to provide effective cleaning results at a minimal cost. It has a lidar navigation system, the ability to clean both dry and wet surfaces, and a suction power of up to 5,000 Pascals. Being a global version is one of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20's greatest features. The conventional design has a round body, stands 98 millimeters off the ground, and comes in black and white. It does not, however, have a dedicated wall sensor like more costly ones do. Rather, it uses a fixed lidar for navigation and a central obstacle detection sensor. The S20 has a handy detachable water tank and dual-compartment dustbin from the back. The water tank can contain 270 milliliters and has an electronic water supply control system, while the dustbin can hold 400 milliliters. A mesh screen and a HEPA filter make up the filtering system. Using a pocket mechanism and Velcro, a regular cloth is fastened to the tank for wet cleaning. The robot does not automatically modify suction power while moving to carpets because it does not have a carpet sensor, despite having 3 fall safety sensors. The vacuum's cleaning mechanism consists of a stationary center turbo brush with bristles and rubber blades, as well as a single 3-beam side brush. Sadly, the central brush cannot be removed, which makes upkeep more difficult. Performance on carpets is also adversely affected by the brush block's permanent structure. However, because it lacks a wall sensor, it has a tendency to push light things. When wet cleaning is enabled, the robot can operate for around 70 minutes at maximum power, covering an area of about 40 square meters. In turbo mode, it can clean an area of 60 to 70 square meters under typical circumstances. The effectiveness of vacuums on carpets varies. Because of its fixed brush block and absence of floating suspension, it performs poorly on medium-pile carpets, but manages low-pile carpets very well. Stains that have slightly dried out can be removed with the wet cleaning function without leaving any residue behind. However, the mop cannot reach the blind zone, which is around 6 centimeters close to baseboards. Thorough yet delicate wet cleaning is made possible by the robot's equal distribution of water. Depending on the power mode, the noise level ranges from 62 to 72 decibels, and the water pump is particularly noisy. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 features a number of drawbacks as a result of cost-cutting efforts, but overall it provides good performance for the price. The ranking system gives it 104 points, which is not very high even for low-cost later robots. It's high suction for its class, Y-shaped mopping mode, full support for Russian, good obstacle crossing ability, service availability, and good cleaning performance on hard surfaces are some of its key advantages. In light of these advantages and disadvantages, consumers who primarily require an affordable robot vacuum for hard floors rather than carpets would benefit most from the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20. Although it performs admirably for the price, people who need advanced obstacle recognition, quieter operation, or thorough carpet cleaning might want to look at more expensive versions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.